How to use Twitter account for business. So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will be teaching you how to use Twitter account for business. So with no further ado, let's get started. So first is you have to go to twitter.com, and all you have to do is to go to your browser and type in twitter.com, and you have to create an account for your business. Now, if you try to sign up using your email, they would be asking you for your name or your and your phone number, or you could use your email address instead, and you have to put the date of birth, and then if you click next, they will send you a verification code. It's either through your number or to your email, depending on how you want to create your account. Now, for my case, I already have an account, and once you have it, it will lead you here to your home page. So, if you are wondering, is Twitter account really for business? So, Twitter actually helps you to connect you and your business with what is happening in the world's every day. So you get to learn the latest real-time trends and invest in social listening. It's also a great way to get a read on your brand's public reputation, and it is a free business promotion for you. So the advantages of using Twitter for your business is, first, it could reach a wide range of audience. So Twitter has a large user base, so which you could include your potential customers. It's either just a normal user for the account or even a influencer or a celebrity. It allows direct two-way communication with your customers. So all they have to do is to just private message you on Twitter, or they could just comment on your post regarding about your product. And third is you can choose to promote your account to gain new followers or promote individual tweets to boost engagement and campaign visibility. So all you have to do is to really engage on Twitter, and basically all your posts will come to every user's homepage or to their scroll area. So now let's get back on how to create a business Twitter account. So here, all you have to do is to go to your profile, and here, as you can see, it's really fresh account. There's no tweet, there's no banner like cover page, or there's no profile picture. So what we want to establish first is our image. So all you have to do is to click on your setup here, setup profile. I highly recommend you to get a HD version of your picture or a high quality picture, and the size for your profile picture. So the profile picture size for Twitter is 400 by 400 pixels. So I highly recommend you to go to Canva, and here on the right side you will see create a design, and if you click on that, you can custom a size, and as you can see, there is a pixel unit for that, and all you have to do is to input the width and the height, and then basically you could have the exact size for profile picture, and all you have to do is to upload your logo, and basically you have the exact size for the Twitter profile picture. Now let's say I've already done that. So pick a profile picture, you just click on that, and for example, this one, it's either your face or your logo if you have a logo for your business, and then click on next. So now we will be choosing our header. So for the size for the banner image for the header is 1500 pixels by 500. And just like what we did in our profile picture, we could go to the Canva and input the banner size. Let's say 1500 pixels by 500. And if you click on create design, this is the size for the header. Now, for example, you've already created a banner, let's say this one. See, as you can see, it really fits the size. So you don't have to zoom it in or zoom it out. It's really the exact size. So you don't have to crop any part of your banner. Let's say apply. And I highly recommend you to use images that could promote or gives a beautiful background or beautiful image for your Twitter account or your business Twitter account. Click on next, and on your bio, I highly recommend you to input what is your business about. For example, you create arts in all things. You create arts in mugs or in canvas, or you do oil painting or customized shirts and many more. Let us see your updated profile. So basically it will look like this. Here we could edit this and then add your bio. You could describe your business. All you have these 160 letters of your use and just go creative with it, and then you could add your location where you at, and if you have a website, for example you have a store on Shopify, so you could add the link here so that they will be redirected to your online store. Now, you click on save here, and basically this will come out, your bio will come out. You could add your email address and so on and so forth. So as I have said, the more you post, the more it will be pushed in the news feed of others. So all you have to do is to tweet and tweet until your engagement will be boosted. It is a plus point for your business promotion. So the next thing that I recommend is you follow big people, for example, celebrities, or for example, Rappler. You scroll through that, the GMA News, Elon Musk, Chris Evans, SCBN News, and so on and so forth. So now, if you are following them and you go back to your homepage, you will see all their tweets. And through this, you could engage more using the application by tweeting and retweeting their post. For example, this one, Comelec Jong's appeal versus Bongbong Marcos candidacy. So all you have to do is you will see this retweet button here, and you click on that, you press retweet. But if you have any comments regarding to that post, you could quote tweet it, and here you could add your comment regarding the information here. But let's just retweet that, and then you could actually put a heart on it, or about this one, Rappler, you could retweet that again, this one, and many more. Just create a connection between the other user of Twitter, then it will help you boost your visibility in this social outlet. So now go back to your profile, and if you go back, you see you have retweeted this one. So I'm going to teach you next on how to tweet on your own. Let's say you want to add your products. So all you have to do is to go here in media, and let's say you want to promote your page. So all you have to do is to type in the information about your business and what do you sell and what it is all about. Then you could tag people, for example, those who are connected to your business, you could tag it, and then you set it to everyone can reply, and then press on tweet. Now you have your very own tweet. So as I have said, if you retweet more, you could gain more engagement. And now here, what you have posted here, if you tweet others' post, it will actually go down, and basically it will be hidden. So we want to do is to pin it at the very most top so that the other members or the other visitors or the visitors who wants to check your profile could directly see what is your business all about. Let's say this one, you will see here the three dots or the word more. You click on this, and you just basically click on pin to your profile. So now that tweet is actually pinned. Now if we go back here to our home page, and let's say we want to retweet this one, as you can see here, you've already retweeted it, and it did not cover your pinned tweet. So basically, that is how you create or how to use your Twitter for business. And my other advice for you is to use a professional username or professional at. So let's just not use anonymous 7845777 or something like that. So I highly recommend you to use your shop's name or basic your name if you want. But if you are starting a business, then your business name is very much advisable for you to use. And for example, you have a customer that is a celebrity and they will basically post your product to their my days on other social media platform and they will tag you, so they would use your at and your store name, so those who are fan with those celebrities, they could contact you to have the same product or similar product as what their idol got. So basically, that's just how it works or how Twitter business works. All you have to do is to get involved on the platform, and basically your post will be engaged to everyone who is using this similar platform. And basically that is how you use Twitter account for business. So that is all for today, and I hope this video is beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this video to your friends and family as well as aspiring entrepreneur or who are just starting their business so that you may help them as well. So I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video.